feel happy? What makes me tick in a day? Well, that is doing what I like. For your information, doing what I like, that is the best thing I will do for my life. I'm tired of living somebody's legacy. Let's say the words. People say words that are so discouraging and they don't feel right when you succeed. So, for me to feel happy, I will continue doing what makes me happy. If it means taking my bike out in the morning, I ride it, take miles 40, 30, 50, I don't care. As long as I'm happy. Well, it makes my mind also fresh. I will do that. So, I'm tired of living somebody's legacy because they are not so productive at the moment. I will do what makes me happy. I will eat my money. Era kibalume.